Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Wix to Claude AI. To connect Wix to Claude AI, first go to the Claude AI website and make sure you're logged into your account, since connectors and integrations only work when you are signed in. Once you're on the main dashboard, click the plus icon and then select Connectors or Add Connector to open the list of available third-party tools and platforms that Claude can integrate with. In the search bar, type Wix, and when it appears as an option for managing and building website, click on it and then press the connect or plus button to begin linking the service. A new tab will open asking you to sign into your Wix account, where you should log in using the email associated with your Wix profile, then review the permissions and click allow so Claude can access the integration. Once approved, the connection will be active, allowing Claude to assist with Wix tasks such as generating pages, editing layouts, or building simple websites through prompts, and you can test it by asking it to create a basic one-page site and then opening the generated link in a new tab to view the result. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.